Hello students, let us solve a problem from NEET UG Paper 2020. Here is the problem. The problem states that the solids which have negative temperature coefficient of resistance are metals, insulators only, semiconductors only, or insulators and semiconductors. So out of these four options, which one is correct, you have to choose. So before we answer it, we can recollect the temperature variation of resistance or resistivity for various type of materials. So look, this curve, this exhibits the temperature variation of resistivity rho, and we know resistivity and resistance, they are directly proportional to each other. So the temperature variation of resistance will follow the nature of the temperature variation of resistivity rho. So you look here, there are three curves for three different types of materials like conductors, semiconductors and insulators. In case of conductors, what happens? They have free electrons as charge carriers. Free electrons. And as temperature increases, number of free electrons does not increase. Rather, the scattering of the electrons increases. And therefore the resistivity or the resistance increases for conductors or metals as the temperature increases. So this is for conductors, hence they have positive temperature coefficient of resistance. Generally it is written as alpha. But in case of semiconductors or insulators, as you increase the temperature, number density of charge carrier increases. That means we have already learned in case of semiconductor that charge carriers generates if you increase the temperature. So that's how number density of charge carriers or charges increases. Okay, and therefore conductivity increases and resistivity decreases, and that has a tendency or that has a trend as you see here. And in case of insulator also, the number of charge carriers increases as you increase the temperature, and hence the resistivity or the resistance decreases in case of insulators also. So we can see they have negative slope. So insulators and semiconductors, they have negative slope. Therefore this both insulators and semiconductors have negative temperature coefficient of resistance. So the fourth option will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.